us on YouTube. Watch TY38.
Detail World, what it do, what it do, what it do. Another episode of a vlog of a detailer. We out here at Green Hills, Tennessee. We about to do this Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Edition. Right now, we're gonna go ahead and work on the interior first, then we're gonna handle the exterior afterwards. But first, give you a quick glimpse of the interior. If you see it got a little bit debris in the carpet, look like something threw up right there. You got your typical debris, your sticks, your twigs, look like some chips. Like I know she got kids, so we definitely got a little chips. Definitely gonna wipe down the doors. If you look, see those dripping marks, stuff like that, because she keep the windows down. She do not put the top on. If you look, the thing is headless, so we definitely gonna have to clean it with it being down. So you can just see all these water stains everywhere, literally, but even right here. So we're gonna get in here, clean everything down properly. See, it's a stick shift manual. So other than that, knock it out. Don't take too long. Exterior be easy to clean because it don't have a top and stuff like that. So we're gonna go ahead and work on this interior first. We got 3 more cars after this. Supposed to rain today, but I'm hoping it don't. We already got the match out, so we're gonna knock out the match. Got the vacuum and everything. But man, I appreciate everybody, man. I'm looking at those views. We ain't gonna watch too many like that, because that's how you get caught up in stuff like that. And I don't really care about it, but we are. Well, I do care, but I don't. But I do, but I don't. But we see the views going up, and that's an amazing thing. We're gonna continue to give y'all the content that y'all want to see. In the comments, let me know what restaurants y'all want to go to, what kind of cars y'all want to see. I can go to the Ferrari dealership. A few places I can go if you want to see some different exclusive cars. But like always, man, do what you gotta do. I'm gonna do what I gotta do, or I'm gonna do what I gotta do so you can do what you gotta do. Hit that subscribe button, leave a like, comment, share, man. You already know the routine, man. Shouldn't have to keep telling you. And on that note, I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Detail World, what it do, what it do, what it do, man. We done finished this first car today with this Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Edition, man. We got it completely done in and out. If you look at the car, remember it was dirty. Wheels was kind of brownish looking. Paint was definitely great, but we got the car looking good. You remember the interior had debris everywhere, all on the seat, had all those chips, stains on the back of the seat, all on the carpet. So remember the doors had those watermarks, but we got the car all done. We got to go ahead and park it, let her know we done. You know, we got 3 more cars for the day. Hopefully we can knock them all out before this routine rain, because the rain been so crazy the last few days. But like always, man, continue to be great. And like always, I'm gonna do what I gotta do, and I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Detail World, what it do, what it do. Y'all already know what it do, man. We made it to the second stop. I do this Mercedes-Benz GLE 350. It's not really that dirty. It's by an older couple. She want me to detail the interior, so we're gonna get in here and detail it up. She said her pet peeve is definitely cleaning under there. If you look, you got a lot of debris in there. We're gonna make sure you clean these cup holders properly. Things like that, man. But you already know how it go. We take so much pride in what we do over here, Your Way Mobile Car Care Service, so that makes the job easy. Because like I said, if you don't take pride in what you do, you'll definitely be lacking at it. Definitely. But I'm gonna go ahead and start on this exterior first, because it's pretty hot. Got a little shade. Gonna take advantage of the shade, man. But like always, I'm committed to the process. So whatever you got going, stay committed, man. And I'm gonna go ahead and get it, because it's hot out here. It's like 94, 95 degrees. So I'll catch y'all in a minute. Detail World, what it do, what it do, man. We finally got the car completely finished. Took a little time to do it, like always, man, because we take so much pride in what we do. So we always want to make sure the customer's super happy and super satisfied with the work. So we got all the dirt and debris off the carpet, all off the seats, all out the front, all that. But we got the car looking great. We're about to go ahead and park it, let them know we done. Head to my last stop, man. But like always, man, we take so much pride in the work we do. So I hope you take pride in whatever you do, man. On that note, like always, be great, continue to be great, be courageous, man. You know, if you got an issue, find out how you can alleviate it, and you know, let's get to it, man. I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Detail World, what it do, what it do, what it do, man. We done got to this third stop of the day, last stop of the day. Last appointment of the day said he had to run. I was running a little late anyway, you know, having him carry these 3 kids around definitely adds about an hour of late time. But we got this GMC Terrain done, man. Got the whole car knocked out, in and out. Car wasn't that dirty, but it was, because it had sand everywhere. But we got all the sand out of the car. It was sand literally all in the seats, all in the carpet, all in these little pockets. It was just everywhere. But we got all the sand out. We did our job sufficiently, so they definitely gonna be enthused with the work. This is actually the owner that owns that brown brown High Country Suburban. But I'm sweating. It's a hot day. Gotta go do the podcast later. Just always working, always at it, man. But like always, man, you do what you gotta do, and I'm gonna do what I gotta do, man. Hit that subscribe button, leave a like, leave a comment, man. Share this content. You know, it's gonna continue to get greater, you know what I mean? But we gonna keep preserving our integrity and keep doing what we need to do. We will not change what we got going on in the channel to suffice to what other people want. You know, we're not gonna follow the routines and stuff. But on that note, continue to be great. One love, love thyself. Look in the mirror, kiss the mirror, take a photo, something like that. And always, man, peace.
I was on YouTube. Watch TY 38.